The quadratus plantae is one that's going to refer pain in and around the heel. So if anyone has pain in this area, it is a very strong trigger point that relates. To find this muscle, you can go just off the heel into the plantar surface of the foot. You can use 2 fingertips to press down, and then you can take your other hand and just traction the heel downward. So I'm tractioning the heel downward, and as I do that, I'm taking my 2 fingertips in this muscle, and I'm slowly sliding in. This is also the best position to have the client prone because it naturally shortens the tissue around the quadratus plantae. You could also use your thumb, press down, and wait for a release. The gastroc trigger points will refer into the medial side of the knee and also into the heel. The medial portion will oftentimes be the one that refers here, and the lateral trigger point, which is a bit lower, will usually refer into the heel. For the medial one, you can use your thumb to kind of dig in and locate. It's usually going to be right around this area here. Once again, follow the protocol to release that trigger point. And then the lateral one, you're just using your fingertips. You can curl in, and once you've identified that muscle just off the peroneals, you can sink in and release that trigger point.